Hello everyone, today I'm going to prepare Burdock Root recipe. Burdock Root, also called Gobo, in Japan and China and some part of Europe, Gobo has been used for food and medicine purpose for thousands of years. Regarded as blood purifier, it helps improve body detoxification. It also a diuretic that contributes to increasing urine production and decreasing the risk of illness of liver, gallbladder, and kidney. It is also recommended for rheumatism and arthritis, gout, and as a cancer preventive. In traditional Chinese medicine, Gobo is used to heal skin ailments such as acne, boils, and eczema. Here's an interesting story about Gobo in ancient China. A farmer's son once saw cattle eating plants root. He has never seen that kind of plant, and he tried some. After taking it, he felt refreshed and full of energy, so he bought some home and made up soup for his family. What's amazing was his grandma, who has been blind for many years, amazingly regained her sight just after taking the soup. The family named the plant Niubang in Chinese, which means being energetic like cattle. And since then, it became a well-known vegetable loved by the Chinese family. Aside from folklore, which somehow exaggerated, modern research does not provide medical evidence for phytomedical and constituent of burdock root. Inulin is a water-soluble form of fiber that has beneficial physiology effect on the gut microbiome that helps support the immune system. Acticne is one of the most studied bioactive compounds in burdock root and has been investigated both in vitro and in animal for its anti-inflammatory benefit and potential anti-tumor properties. Burdock root also contains numerous phytochemicals such as lignans, tryptophan, and polyacetylenes, which has been shown to prompt blood circulation and are linked to anti-diabetic medical properties. Alright, here's my recipe for Kinpira Gobo, a traditional Japanese dish. First, wash. Then, peel the Gobo skin with the peeler. Soak the Gobo straight in water for a while and drain well. Fry and stir them. Just a little bit. Cool. Keep stirring. Smells like heaven. And add some seasoning. It's ready, let's try it. Skirt. I highly recommend this dish because it tastes so good actually, and Also, I feel refreshed and powerful, more energy than before. Moreover, it's just great and healthy. You know, it's better than eating those fried chicken and those junk food. So please try it. Please, please, please. I beg you, try it. And you'll know what I'm saying. See you next time.